March of 2004, he entered Basic Airborne Course at Fort Benning, Georgia. April 2005, he entered the 3rd Group Student Battalion Special Operations. He continued through Selection Course, Small Unit Tactics Course, SERE Course, and remaining phases 3 through B, ultimately earning rank of Sergeant. 2007-2009, he served as a squad leader of the 325th Airborne Infantry Regiment, 82nd Airborne Division during Operation Enduring Freedom Campaign. He earned Expert Rifleman Badge, Expert Grenadier Badge, Parachutist Badge, Presidential Unit Citation, Army Superior Unit Award, National Defense Service Medal, and Army Service Ribbon. Mr. Linden.